Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last couple of videos we will work on authentication and authorization by making a simple UI. In this video, I will show you guys two ways of handling data, which I learned while working with Fresh.js framework. Let's get started now. As I'm in the same project and in the middleware file, there is one way you can set some data like globally to your app. Like Redux, we can access to data globally on every page. Here how you can do it by ctx.state. After that, any variable name I will use here, I will use user data variable to set token data here. Let's check on console what verify token bracket 1.payload is. As you can see, this is the payload which we set while creating the token. Alright, now to access that data, go to any routes file you want. As currently we only have one page here, I'll go to index.tsx file. In that file, as you know, Fresh provides some data and props. You can provide page props type to it. Now I'll destructure that and get the state value from there. Now let's check what we are getting on console. Let me refresh the page in the background now. As you can see, I'm getting the state data with key of user data which set in middleware. Alright, now move on to second trick. Let's create a file and API folder. I'll name the file testroute.ts. In this API, I will fetch the data from params, and this API will be get API. As I have prepared the code already, let me paste it here. As you know, every API or backend technology used to get data in params. This way we can get the data in params and utilized it as per our needs and sent the updated data to the client side, as I have added a console to check whether I'm getting the data or not. Go to index.ts.tsx file again. Here I will create a component here homepage, and I will make that component in the islands folder. Now in that component, I'll create a method which used to call an endpoint here by using axiod, and I will send the data as params now. Let me refresh the page in the background. As you can see on console, we get some strange value. If you look into the values, you will see the data which we sent from client side. Now to access that data, we will use get method from query params and pass the key value in it as a string. Now if I'll check the console again after refreshing the page, as you can see we got that which we sent from client side. Don't worry about that warning, it's showing us to send the data this way just. That's it for now. I hope my 3 series on Fresh.js framework will help you understand the Fresh.js framework completely. If you guys like my series, please do subscribe to my channel to support my work. I'll see you guys in the next series now, which will be on MERN stack hopefully. Till then, happy coding.